So who should use a glow oil or a lightning glow oil? Hello guys, welcome back again. This is HBM. So in case you just see me for the first time, you're welcome here. So today I want to talk about body oils. I want to talk about glow oils. Now glow oils are actually one of the best skin food you can ever try on your skin. If you want to glow your skin, you want to moisturize your skin, you want to brighten up your skin, you want to repair your skin, please consider glow oil. And even if you're applying any cream, also include oils into your routine, because oils actually help to do the finishing job, trust me. So I'll be talking about glow oil or body oils today, and I'm going to be categorizing this oil into two. Now I'll be dissecting what glow oil or body oil is actually about. Now your body oil or your glow oil could be dissected into two. Is either your body oil is a brightening body oil or lightening body oil, or your body oil is just a body oil. Now we have various types of body oil in the market. We also have various types of lightening or brightening oils in the market. So what are glow oils and what are the difference, and also what are the benefits of using a glow oil? Now glow oil can be dissected into two. We can either have a glow oil that will only moisturize your skin, glow the skin, repair the skin, depending on the carrier oil, which is actually the base of that oil, and depending on whichever active that is being added into that oil. And we can equally have a glow oil that is a brightening oil, that is if brightening actives are added into that oil. Okay. Now benefit of glow oil can also depend on active or on the oil itself. Like I said, if your glow oil does not contain any brightening active, it contains healing oils like your jojoba, oils like your Abyssinian oil, oils like your rosehip oil like your macadamia oil like almond oil, argan oil. Those oil are actually oil that is good to help renew the skin, that also help to repair the skin in case your skin is damaged. You want to repair the skin. There are also oil that help rejuvenate the skin. There are oil that help to glow the skin. Okay, but this oil will not lighten the skin. All right, now if your oils are actually oils that contain skincare actives like your sepia white, acetyltranexamate, sim white powder, kojic palmitate, then you should know that that particular oil is going to glow the skin, and at the same time is going to brighten the skin, and at the same time also it's going to help repair the skin. So whatever your ordinary oil is going to do to your skin, either by repairing, glowing the skin, rejuvenating the skin, moisturizing the skin, your brightening oil, if it is well formulated, is also going to do the same thing, but it will do extra, and the extra is that it's going to help to brighten the skin. Now depending on the kind of brightening active that the oil contains. So what are the ingredients to look out in your body oils when you're buying body oils? What are the ingredients to look out for in your body oils so as not to have a clogged pores? So in case you don't know, oils and butters tend to clog the pores. That's why at times you see some people, they tell you, oh no, I hate using oils on my skin, I don't like to use oil because they make me break out, they make me to sweat. That is because the oil, the base oil, the base, which is oil that is being used to make that particular oil, are oil that clogs the pores. Take for an instance, you cannot just go and apply hot processed coconut oil on your face. Is going to clog the pores. Carrot seed oil, also the comedogenic rate is high. I think is on 3 to 4, so it's not that safe to use on the face. Okay, argan oil is good to apply on the face. Sunflower oil, very good to apply on the face and body. Okay, but some oils are actually oils you cannot apply on your face. So if you're complaining of clogged pores, the clogged pores of the thing start by applying oil on your face. So if you're complaining of that, that means the oils you're using clogs the pores, and you shouldn't use it on the face. You can use it on your body, but do not use it on your face. All right, but in generally, if a oil is well blended, well mixed, okay, it's not gonna clog the pores. If you're buying face oil, look out for instructions that tells you where you should apply the oil on, if you should apply the oils on your face and body, or if it is for face alone or for body alone. So these are the things you need to look out for. And another thing you need to look out for, you need to look out for the ingredient list of whichever oil, body oil you're buying or face oil. Check the kind of oils that the body oil contain. Check if it contains vitamin E, because these are actually what your skin need. Okay, check if it contains various blends of good oils that are going to help to moisturize the skin, rejuvenate the skin, plump the skin, give the skin a very soft and glowing effect. So try to always check out the ingredient list on your oils. So who should use a glow oil or a lightening glow oil? Now, if you're naturally fair, okay, you're naturally fair, or you're a dark person, you're a melanin skin person, you're a very dark person, and you don't want to brighten the skin, of course, just use ordinary glow oil. We have various glow oil in the market, like the Neutrogena oil. I'm going to be putting the picture on the screen. The Neutrogena oil, which contains sesame seed oil. This oil is superb. I've used this oil some years back. Like, I used this oil a very long time ago and I was glowing seriously. So this oil is very good, but please note that this oil will not brighten your skin. This oil can only repair the skin, glow your skin, keep your skin moisturized, okay? But this oil will not brighten your skin. So for somebody who don't want to brighten their skin tone, for somebody who just want to glow their skin, for a dark skin person who just want to glow their skin, plump their skin, make their skin soft, dewy, glossy, you want to be like Gloria, you want to glow like Gloria, then you can try this oil I just mentioned. We have other oils in the market, but I'm gonna be talking about the oil, the one I have used. I've used Neutrogena. I think I used that many years ago, all right, and it was very nice on my skin. So Neutrogena oil you can try if you don't want any oil that will brighten the skin. But if you want glow oil that will brighten the skin, we have various glow oil that will brighten the skin in the market, and I'm going to be dropping a particular one I have used, the one I used even up to now. Okay, so this glow oil you're seeing up there is actually a oil I used even while I was pregnant and after I've had my baby, and it is the oil that brings back my color. So you have other body oils in the market, like the So White oil. Okay, I have a friend that used that. Personally, I've not used that, but I have a friend that used So White oil, and she said, yeah, it was fair. So if you've used So White oil, please, you can comment down there in the comment section to actually tell us how it was on your skin. So that is the difference between using a glow oil and using a brightening oil. Now, glow oil, like I said, they will repair the skin, moisturize the skin, glow the skin, okay, because they actually contain plant oil, and depending on how it was formulated, okay, they are going to help to maintain your skin tone. They will not brighten you up at all. They will not brighten your skin at all. But if you go for lightening or brightening oil, it will do the same thing that your ordinary glow oil would do for your skin, but it's going to do the extra of doing or brightening your skin. So in conclusion, if you're buying a body oil, you go to the store, or you're ordering online from a website, you want to buy body oils, first of all, you need to just go through the ingredient list. And you need to also know if you have dry skin, or if you have normal skin, or if you have oily skin. All right, then you also need to check out for the blends, oil blends. As long as the ingredients list contain enough plant oil that are good for the skin, and it contains essential oils, it contains vitamin E oil, and you don't want to lighten the skin, you don't want to brighten the skin, of course you're good to go. But if you want to purchase brightening oil, okay, you want to purchase a brightening oil, you need to look out for this ingredient I just mentioned now and more, because you need to look out for brightening active in that oil. Brightening active like your Sepi White, Deoxyabutene, Sim White, Kojic dipermitate, alpha hydroxy acid, alpha lipoic acid, licorice oil, retinol palmitate, because these oils actually help to brighten the skin, including vitamin C. So what are the best way for you to use your glow oil, or how do you use your glow oil? Now, I always say it on this page, on this channel, that exfoliation is the key. You need to always make sure you exfoliate the skin, because if you don't exfoliate the skin, your product will not work well. So if you want your product to work well, you need to exfoliate the skin at least 3 times in a week. You can either do chemical exfoliation, that is use product that contains chemical exfoliant like this products, or you get body scrub, which are abrasive exfoliants, scrub that contains sugar and spa salts and any other abrasive ingredient to help to, scrub the skin. And if you want to apply your glow oil on a damp skin, apply your glow oil on your damp skin. Do not come out from the bedroom and clean dry 100%, like clean dry totally. No, make sure you apply your body cream or your glow oil on a damp skin. When you apply your glow oil on a damp skin, it helps your glow oil to absorb 100%. Your glow oil is going to absorb very well into the skin. So I hope you've gained 1 or 2. Please like this video, share this video, and if you've used any of this product I talk about, you can please comment it down there in the comment section. So I'm going to see you in my next video. I hope right now you'll be able to know. I hope you give this oil a trial, and trust me, you're gonna come back here to thank me. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.